Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you if your Microsoft Store is not operating on your Windows 10 or 11. So in this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot this issue. Simply type here on the search box, type here wsreset.exe. Click on this run as administrator. And this basically restore the cache and delete the cache from Microsoft Store, and will try to launch Microsoft Store automatically and try if that fix your issue or not. So we can move on the next step. In the next step, if the Windows License Manager is stopped, you can get the issue as well. Open the services, type on search box and write here services. Open it. Once you open the services, you need to look for Windows Licensing Manager. Press W on your keyboard and look for Windows Licensing. Now you can see here Windows Licensing Manager. It is written there. Simply right click on it and click Properties. Here click on Automatic, then Apply, then OK. Again open Properties. And you can see it is running and automatic. If it is not running, simply click on this start, then okay, it will automatically running. You can see this service is now automatic and it is running. And after that guys, check if that fixed the issue or not. Also you can restart it. Click on this restart option. It will restart your service. If that fix your issue, then it's okay. If not, then we will move on our third method, which is very powerful. So in third method, we basically reset the Microsoft Store. This is the command to reset the Microsoft Store. You just need to copy in this description box. Copy this command. Then click on the search box and type here PowerShell. On the right hand side, click on Run as Administrator, click on it, and you just need to paste it from Ctrl+V, paste it here, and then hit enter. So this will basically reset all the cache as well as the settings from Microsoft Store. You can see here. And after that guys, you have to restart the system. Once you have restarted, check back if that fixed the issue or not. If still not fix your issue, then we move to advanced method guys. So this command will basically remove the package from the Microsoft Store. Just copy that, don't worry, we can later get install it back. Copy this command, then paste this command here, then simply click enter. This will remove your Microsoft Store from PC, and please don't worry, we will install it in next command. Simply copy the next command. This command will install the Microsoft Store again on your PC. Simply paste this command here and click enter. This will take some time. After running this command, this will restore your Microsoft Store in your PC. Type here store. You can see your Microsoft Store is restored, and see if that fixed the issue or not. You can also restart your system after uninstalling it, reinstall it for fresh. It should work. This is very powerful step guys. If nothing is working guys, or copy the next command here. This will basically reinstall all the packages, not including the Microsoft Store as well, all the Microsoft related services. So simply copy this command, simply paste it, and then hit enter. Just need to wait here. Okay, this is going to add all the packages. If you are getting any red error messages while running these commands, you need to ignore all of them. Just let it finish, and once this command is executed, you will see end of this command. Just you have to again restart your system. After that, I am pretty sure your issue will be solved. And if nothing is working, guys, you have to reinstall the fresh window on your system, or you have to reset this PC. These are all the possible solutions without resetting or reinstalling the Windows. So I hope, guys, after applying these methods, your issue is fixed. Then hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.